Lesson 2 on budgeting, we look at what are important steps one needs to follow while creating a budget. Creating a budget is an essential tool for managing your finances effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a budget. 1. Set your financial goals. Start by determining your financial goals. Are you trying to save for a specific purpose, pay off debt, or simply track your spending? Clarify your objectives to give your budget a clear direction. 2. Calculate your income. Gather all sources of income, including salaries, wages, rental income, side hustle, or any other regular payments. Determine your net income, which is the amount you receive after taxes and deductions. 3. Track your expenses. Record all your expenses for a certain period, ideally for a month. Categorize your expenses into broad categories such as housing, transportation, groceries, utilities, entertainment, etc. Use receipts, bank statements, or personal finance apps to ensure accuracy. 4. Analyze your spending. Review your expense records and identify areas where you can potentially cut back. Look for any unnecessary or discretionary expenses that you can reduce or eliminate. 5. Create categories. Based on your expense analysis, create specific categories for your budget. Allocate a percentage or a specific amount of your income to each category. Common budget categories include housing, transportation, groceries, debt repayment, savings, and entertainment. 6. Set limits. Determine spending limits for each category based on your income and financial goals. Ensure that your total expenses do not exceed your income. Be realistic, but also challenge yourself to save more or reduce non-essential spending. 7. Prioritize savings. Make savings a priority in your budget. Allocate a specific amount or percentage of your income towards savings. Consider creating an emergency fund for unexpected expenses and save for future goals such as retirement or a down payment on a house. 8. Budget tracking. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or budgeting software to track your expenses and monitor your progress. Regularly review your budget to ensure you're staying on track and make adjustments if necessary. 9. Review and adjust. Review your budget regularly, especially if there are any significant changes in your income or expenses. Make adjustments as needed to accommodate new financial circumstances or goals. 10. Stay disciplined. Stick to your budget and exercise discipline in your spending habits. Be mindful of your financial goals and make conscious choices that align with them. Remember, creating a budget is just the first step. To make it effective, you need to consistently track your expenses, review your progress, and make necessary adjustments. Over time, your budgeting skills will improve, helping you achieve your financial goals and maintain financial stability. How do you set financial goals? Setting financial goals is crucial for establishing a roadmap to achieve your desired financial future. Here are steps to help you set effective financial goals. 1. Identify your values and priorities. Consider what matters most to you in life. Think about your values, aspirations, and long-term priorities. This introspection will guide you in setting meaningful financial goals that align with your values. 2. Define short-term and long-term goals. Categorize your financial goals into short-term, 1 to 2 years, medium-term, 3 to 5 years, and long-term, 5+ years, goals. Short-term goals can include paying off credit card debt, saving for a vacation, or creating an emergency fund. Medium-term goals may involve buying a house or saving for a child's education. Long-term goals could include retirement planning or building significant wealth. 3. Make goals specific and measurable. Ensure your goals are specific and measurable to track your progress effectively. For example, instead of saying save money, specify how much you want to save each month or year. Instead of saying pay off debt, state the exact amount and the deadline for achieving it. 4. Set realistic and achievable goals. While it's essential to dream big, set goals that are realistic and achievable within your financial means. Consider your income, expenses, and current financial situation when determining what is attainable. Unrealistic goals can lead to frustration and demotivation. 5. Quantify your goals. Assign a specific monetary value to each goal. This will help you determine the amount you need to save or invest to reach your targets. Break down larger goals into smaller milestones to make them more manageable. 6. Prioritize your goals. Rank your goals based on their importance and urgency. Allocate your resources accordingly to ensure you make progress on multiple fronts. However, give priority to goals that require immediate attention or have a significant impact on your financial well-being. 7. Establish a timeline. Set a timeline for achieving each goal. Determine when you want to accomplish them and create a schedule or milestones to track your progress. Having a timeline provides a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused on achieving your goals. 8. Monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor your progress towards your financial goals. Assess whether you're on track or if adjustments are necessary. Life circumstances and priorities can change, so be flexible and make adjustments as needed without compromising the overall objective. 9. Celebrate milestones. When you achieve a milestone or reach a significant goal, celebrate your accomplishments. It's important to recognize your progress and reward yourself for your hard work. This will motivate you to continue pursuing your financial goals. 10. Review and update. Review your financial goals periodically, at least annually or when major life events occur. As your circumstances change, your goals may need to be revised or new goals may arise. Regularly assessing and updating your financial goals ensures they remain relevant and in line with your evolving needs. Remember, setting financial goals is an ongoing process. Be proactive, stay focused, and be willing to adjust your goals as necessary. With a clear vision and diligent effort, you can achieve financial success and build a secure future. Digital tools to HEPL with budgeting. There are several digital tools available to assist you with budgeting and managing your finances effectively. Here are some popular options. Mint. Mint is a comprehensive personal finance app that allows you to track your income, expenses, and budgets all in one place. It automatically categorizes your transactions, provides insights into your spending patterns, and sends alerts when you exceed your budget or have upcoming bills. NAB, you need a budget. NAB is a budgeting tool that focuses on the philosophy of assigning every dollar a job. It helps you create a budget based on your income and expenses, and provides tools to track your progress, set goals, and save for future expenses. NAB also offers educational resources and online workshops to help you improve your financial management skills. Personal Capital. Personal Capital is a financial management tool that offers budgeting features along with investment tracking and retirement planning. It allows you to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts to get a holistic view of your finances. Personal Capital provides detailed reports, investment analysis, and tools to plan for retirement. Pocket Guard. Pocket Guard is a mobile app that connects to your bank accounts and credit cards to track your income and expenses in real time. It categorizes your transactions, provides spending insights, and alerts you when you're close to exceeding your budget. Pocket Guard also offers features to track and manage subscriptions and recurring bills. Good Budget. Good Budget is a digital envelope budgeting system inspired by the traditional cash envelope method. It helps you allocate your income into virtual envelopes for different spending categories. You can track your expenses and see how much you have left in each envelope. Good Budget allows for multiple devices to sync, making it suitable for couples or families. Excel or Google Sheets. If you prefer a more customizable and flexible approach, You can use spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to create your budget. These tools provide templates and functions to track income, expenses, and savings, allowing you to tailor your budgeting system to your specific needs. When choosing a digital budgeting tool, consider your preferences, the features you need, and the platform that best suits your lifestyle. Take some time to explore these options and find the tool that aligns with your budgeting style and goals. Budget maintenance and adjustments. Maintaining and adjusting your budget is a critical aspect of effective financial management. Here are some tips for budget maintenance and making necessary adjustments. 1. Regularly track and review. Consistently track your income and expenses to ensure they align with your budget. Review your budget at least once a month to see if you're on track or if any adjustments are needed. This will help you stay aware of your financial situation and make informed decisions. 2. Monitor spending. Keep a close eye on your spending habits. Review your transaction history and check if you're overspending in any particular category. Look for areas where you can cut back or find ways to save money. Being mindful of your spending patterns will allow you to make adjustments proactively. 3. Adjust categories and allocations. As your financial circumstances change, you may need to modify your budget categories and allocations. If you find that your original budget is not realistic or no longer suits your needs, consider adjusting the amounts allotted to different categories. This flexibility will help you adapt to changes in your income, expenses, or financial goals. 4. Adapt to life events. Life events such as job changes, moving, marriage, having children, or unexpected expenses can significantly impact your budget. Take these events into account and adjust your budget accordingly. Determine if additional savings are necessary or if certain expenses need to be reprioritized. 5. Handle windfalls and bonuses wisely. If you receive unexpected windfalls or bonuses, resist the temptation to splurge immediately. Instead, consider using them strategically to achieve your financial goals. You might allocate a portion to paying off debt, bolstering your emergency fund, or investing for the future. 6. Build in flexibility. It's important to build flexibility into your budget to account for unexpected expenses or fluctuations in income. Set aside a portion of your income as a contingency fund for emergencies or unforeseen circumstances. This will help you avoid financial stress when unexpected costs arise. 7. Seek opportunities to save. Continuously look for ways to save money within your budget. Explore ways to reduce expenses, such as cutting back on discretionary spending, negotiating bills, or finding more affordable alternatives. Small savings in various areas can add up significantly over time. 8. Celebrate milestones and progress. Celebrate your achievements and milestones along the way. Recognize your progress and reward yourself when you reach certain financial goals. This positive reinforcement will help you stay motivated and committed to maintaining your budget. Remember, budget maintenance is an ongoing process. Regularly reviewing, adjusting, and fine-tuning your budget will ensure that it remains effective and relevant to your financial goals. Stay proactive, be open to changes, and keep your long-term financial well-being in mind as you make adjustments along the way.